Hello guys and welcome to my channel, and this is types of people in Delhi Metro. You know who I'm talking about. The loners. Gazing through the windows of metro, listening to music and engaged in deep thoughts. The loners are those who travel long distances in metro without caring what other people think or do. कोई लड़े या मरे इन्हें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बस म्यूजिक अच्छा होना चाहिए भाई. These are basically the best kind of people in metro because they don't bother anybody else. The blabbers. It doesn't matter if they are standing or sitting. As soon as they get in the metro, they engage with another person, the clueless victim, and tell them their life stories. और भाई साहब कैसे हो? जी ठीक. आप कैसे हैं? जी आप रोज ही मेट्रो से ट्रैवल करते हैं? जी हाँ जी. जी मैं तो पहली बार मेट्रो से ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ, नहीं तो मैं तो अपनी BMW से जाता हूँ. आज वो सर्विस पे गई हुई है. जी जी अच्छी बात है. Well, sometimes these stories can be good, but most of the time not so much. They keep on talking about themselves, blah 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 blah, and they can't shut up. You need to shut up, guys. You need to shut up. The invaders. जी भाई साहब थोड़ा adjust करो. बहुत स्पेस है जी, बहुत स्पेस है. These are the people who doesn't understand the concept of private or personal space. They sit in the metro like they own the metro. They talk on their phone like they are sitting in their drawing room. This category includes everyone who says, भाई साहब थोड़ा एडजस्ट करना, थोड़ा देर एडजस्ट करना, इतने में तो बैठ ही जाऊंगा. एंड ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा एडजस्ट करते 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 वो पूरी सीट पर कब्जा कर लेते हैं. एंड फाइनली इट सीम्स like you are the invader. It drives me crazy when it happens to. After a few minutes, the guy who was sitting in that much space sits on the whole seat, and the guy who was sitting on the whole seat comes to sit on that much. Why? Come on, have some moral value. The show off. I mean, you can't seem to grasp the concept of sunglasses. They are meant to be worn when there is sun. I mean, it's right in the name, sunglasses. So even while traveling in the metro, these people keep wearing their sunglasses. Why? I don't get it. These are the type of people who keep flashing their iPhone. Okay, why? Their iPhone. Why wear sunglasses in the underground metro? What the hell, man? It's already dark. Why do you need sunglasses? In the end, I just want to say this video is not to offend anyone. I'm just showing my perspective here, what I think people do in metro. I mean, I have done most of these things, but it kind of annoys people, so keep it down. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you next week. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you don't, please leave a comment down in the comment section, and subscribe if you haven't already done that. Peace. Good morning, guys. As you can see, we are out in the car.